Welcome back. Welcome back, everybody. And today I will be doing a big scary baboon video. Bro, don't laugh. Scary baboon video with, once again,
I'm changing my name. My name's Space Monkey now.
Okay, Space Monkey. Finally, something I can remember. Doing collab with Space Monkey, and Breeze Tag VR. But today we'll be playing Scary Baboon with this random dude I found. We'll call him Jamal. Calm it down, W Jamal. W Jamal. Okay, well, let me get my cosmetics and then we'll start going.
Hashtag. I'm gonna go. Who would you go get a cone? Yeah.
Wait for me.
Bye.
Wait for me, bro. This is scary.
Okay, wait.
Bro, I don't want to go get a cone by myself. Bro.
I'm fast. So.
Cool. All right, let's go.
That music's so loud, man.
Yeah. Yo, my thing. Okay.
You ready?
We got a cone. Let's go in the vent. I'm getting the radar.
I'm subscribed to him. Hey, bro.
Yo, Queso, and there's gonna be a monster coming out of nowhere from there. Let's go.
Queso.
Run! I got him. Ah! Please leave me alone. Okay. No. No. Yo, guys, where are you? Bro, that's scary. Yo, I got a super punch.
No, I got a super energy drink. Bottle flip. God, I'm the best bottle flipper. You ready? Okay, guys, oh my god! Can I land this?
Okay, bottle flip.
If I...
Boom.
Can I land this?
Boom.
You guys want to do a subscribe to me. So let's just roll. But you guys want to do a challenge?
Sure, what's the challenge?
The challenge is you can't die. If you die, you have to wait until everyone dies. So we could be alive. You could die right now, and we could be alive forever until...
Yeah, but let's try to stick together. Open the door and we have to close the door. We have to close the door.
Hold on.
Okay, when we're ready, we're gonna go. Yo, come back in. We're all gonna run.
Bottle flip.
Bottle flip.
Okay.
Hey, I did it.
We can't use a cone. How about that? We can't use a cone.
To make it fair, yeah, sure. Dump it in the ground.
Right there. Oh my god.
You thought?
Let me do it.
I got a cone now. Whoa! Okay, so.
Okay, we have to wait for him. We have to wait for him.
Bro, in Spanish, it's púrese, which is hurry up. So I think you should hurry up.
If I land this, you gotta give me money. Hey!
I left. Yo, guys, I left by accident.
Get rid of something. Hurry up, kill me. We're gonna get some games here. We're gonna play. I just don't know if I roll. What? I got roll. Okay, let's go.
Yo, come on, let's go. Let's just hurry up.
The world?
No, let's hurry up.
W-O-R-L-D, world.
Obviously, you know how to spell world when you're in YouTube.
Whoa.
Bro, I haven't seen that video you posted yet
Okay,
with us. Yeah. Okay, challenge starts. 3, 2, 1, go everybody! No! Bro, that was instantly. And we have no cones?
Okay, he can't come back, man. No cones.
Let's get a scary radar. That's at least fair.
Yeah.
Bro, I called dibs on the scary radar. Yeah?
I hate the business.
Alright.
Scary.
Yeah, Mom?